People are not talking about green schemes are up for lease to everybody. Who is everybody? Who is it going to be?
You can only talk about peace, having peace with a knife step in a back, with a bleeding nose. Everybody wanna know who's the one who started the fight. You can only talk about peace, having peace with a knife step in your back, with a bleeding nose. Everybody wanna know who's the one who started the fight.
We can talk of peace because somebody is not stabbing another person, because nobody got a bloody nose. Structural violence is inherent in state institutions. It is so true in this country. I'll give you an example.
Khorixas.
For this year's capital budget, 900,000.
Good enough for a 2.8 Toyota bus.
Keetmanshoop
2 million.
capital project,
Rundu.
which is bigger than
Oshakati.
last year's budget.
5 million. 5 million.
Rundu is far, far, far bigger than
Oshakati.
Oshakati.
50 million. Swagara.
What peace are we talking about here?
Swagara. Swagara. You can only talk about peace, having peace with a knife step in a back, with a bleeding nose. Everybody wanna know who's the one who started the fight. You can only talk about peace, having peace with a knife step in your back, with a bleeding nose. Everybody wanna know who's the one who started the fight.
It was declared, proclaimed a town at the same time as.
And
Look at Ruakan, we're happy. Look at Omphia, we're happy.
but look at Aranos.
Administrative structure is still at the level of a village council.
Oi,
But for more than 8 to 10 years, it's a town council.
oi.
What peace, Your Excellency, are we talking about? Nothing different on land reform. Honorable Kalish Ledwood was placed there, nothing has changed.
Nothing at all.
When President and others talk about the achievement of peace,
It's the citizens besides hunger and poverty.
let's say, let's maintain peace, let's be patient. No distribution system.
State of the nation cannot clarify.
That they are bringing up something new.
You can only talk about peace, having peace with a knife step in a back, with a bleeding nose. Everybody wanna know who's the one who started the fight. You can only talk about peace, having peace with a knife step in your back, with a bleeding nose. Everybody wanna know who's the one who started the fight.
Should we be speaking about industrialization? Or should we be speaking about agrarian reform which includes land reform? And I'm sorry to say, I was telling Honorable Saber Pierre, if Gottfried Geingob was in his 60s and he became president, he was going to do a great deal of things when he was a young man. I think he doesn't have the team to do the work.